Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. In today's video, I'll show you how to transform recycled jars into beautiful terrariums. Terrariums are like tiny gardens inside glass containers, perfect for bringing a touch of nature into your home. It's a fun and creative way to reuse old jars and create something new and beautiful. First, gather your materials. Some clean empty jars of different sizes, small stones or pebbles for drainage, activated charcoal, which you can find at garden centers, potted soil suitable for plants, and of course, your choice of small plants like succulents or ferns. Now let's get started. Begin by layering the bottom of your jar with small stones or pebbles. This layer will help with drainage and prevent water from accumulating at the roots of your plants. Next, add a thin layer of activated charcoal. Charcoal helps to keep the terrarium fresh by filtering out any impurities in the water and air. Now, carefully add your potting soil on the top of the charcoal. Create a small well or indentation in the soil where you will place your plants. Gently remove the plants from their containers, loosen the roots a bit, and place them into the soil. Once your plants are in place, you can add decorative elements like small figurines, tiny stones, or pieces of driftwood or toys to personalize your terrarium. Get creative and design your miniature garden however you like. Finally, give your terrarium a light watering, being careful not to overdo it. Place it in a spot where it can get indirect sunlight, as most terrarium plants prefer filtered light rather than direct sun. And there you have it, a beautiful terrarium made from recycled jars. Terrariums are not only lovely to look at but also make great gifts and addition to any room. Remember to mix your terrarium occasionally to maintain the humidity levels that many plants prefer. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. Stay tuned and subscribe to DIY Creations for more inspiring videos. Happy crafting!